Mr. Plow. What are the odds that if I offer someone a lot of money, that they will deliver me a pizza? Oh, the Plows! Do they deliver pizzas? That right there is one dedicated pet owner. And that right there is one dangerous looking power line. Look at this. I'm gonna die. Look. That doesn't look good. I'm gonna die, or worse, lose my power, because priorities. Back to the puppies. This should be a drinking game. In the past like 20 minutes, there's been no less than 4 plows and 1 cop car going by. Oh my god, a person! Where are they going? What are they trying to do with their lives? Why are they outside?
Hopefully answering and clearing up some of that information and making it public. I am talking generally about information security, maintaining a lot of different questions that I hadn't thought of, you know. So if you have anything that you're like, oh, that's obvious.
All we need now are some tauntauns, and we're all set for haul. Drift to get into my apartment. Mini plow. Oh my god, it's a parade! Someone has stole my electric blanket. What do you think it thinks about while it's sleeping? Is it dreaming? Or plotting its revenge? That's not a snowplow. I think they have to shovel out their own cars. Where are you, snowplow? My glass is empty, and I want to drink more wine. This drinking game has lost its sense of fun. Important life question. Why, oh why, do loaves of bread have uneven number of slices? Bastards.